Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Thanks for watching our video and thanks for all your supports and loves and all of the comments you write for us. Today we are going to visit Shams-ul-Emare in Golestan Palace, which is a beautiful building in Tehran. So let's walk with us.
Shams Al-Emare is a tall building in Golestan. It was built 150 years ago, which was at the time of Nasser-Din Shah. It was used for purposes like gatherings and ceremonies, but nowadays it's a museum that you can visit, but you can just visit the first floor, unfortunately. And it's such a beautiful building.
Shamsul-Amara is one of the most beautiful buildings in Golestan Palace complex, and it was built by Muayyar-ul-Mulk during the Nasser-Din Shah reign. It was the tallest building back then, and it was so interesting for me to know that. And Nasser-Din Shah used to go up the building and enjoy the view of the city. Because Muayyar-ul-Mulk tried to build this building to provide a panoramic view for the king. It might be interesting for you to know that Nasser-Din Shah built this building in 18th century, and it's almost 300 years ago. And this building is so beautiful. Let's see what's inside the building. The Shams-ul-Emare is an iconic building within the Golestan Palace complex in Tehran. Its name translates to Edifice of the Sun, and it was built between 1865 and 1867 during the reign of Nasser-Din Shah Qajar. The building served multiple purposes during the Qajar era. Its height and location made it a perfect spot for the king to observe the city and hold ceremonial events. The upper floors were used for royal receptions and gatherings, while the lower floors served as museum exhibiting the king's collection of artwork and treasures. Some interesting facts about the Shamsul-Amara include: it was the first tall building in Tehran and one of the first to use a metal structure in its construction. The exterior of the building is adorned with intricate tilework, stucco carvings, and colorful stained glass windows. Shamsul-Emare was designed by Iranian architect Muayyar-ul-Mulk and represents a blend of Persian and European architectural styles. Today, visitors can explore the historic rooms and exhibits inside Shamsul-Emare, which provide a glimpse into the opulence and grandeur of Qajar dynasty. During the Qajar era, the Shamsul-Amara building had a variety of functions. Its location made it the best place for the king to survey the city and organize important meetings and parties. This building, Shamsul-Amare building, had many functions during Qajar era. The king used it as a hall for ceremonies and big parties and important meetings. And sorry for that. And for your information, upper levels were designed to utilize big parties and important meetings, and the lower floors were designed to hold a museum for displaying some artworks and king's valuable stuff. And it's so interesting for the tourists who are visiting Shams Al-Emare building.
قابل مقایسه با ایران مان هست. بچه ها اینجا بگیریم. این بیترش کاتت میکنه دفعه دیگه موهات به شما بچه وقتش چقدر جزئیات داره.
Now I want to tell you 3 interesting facts about the Shamsul Emare building, or as we call it in English, edifice of the sun building. Shamsul Emare was the tallest building when it was created in Qajar dynasty, and king used it as a paranormal view to survey the city. The second fact about this place is it was one of the first buildings in Iran that used metal in its construction. The third fact you should know about this place that it was the royal palace for the Persian kings for almost 100 years. And the last fact about this place, it's a UNESCO World Site Heritage, and it's one of the oldest buildings in Tehran. And that's it. That's all you should know about the edifice of the sun building in Golestan Palace.